Why does Verizon Internet stop working?
Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the common reasons why Verizon Internet may stop working. Internet connectivity issues can be frustrating, so understanding the potential causes can help troubleshoot and resolve the problem more effectively.
Power and hardware problems.
One of the first things to check when your Verizon Internet stops working is the power and hardware. Ensure that your modem and router are properly plugged in and receiving power. Check for any loose connections and make sure all cables are securely connected. Faulty power adapters or damaged cables can also cause connectivity issues, so it's worth inspecting them as well.
Service outages.
Verizon Internet outages can occur due to service disruptions in your area. These disruptions might be caused by scheduled maintenance, network upgrades, or unforeseen technical issues. To check if there's a known outage, you can visit Verizon's website or reach out to their customer support. They often provide updates on service disruptions and estimated restoration times.
Wi-Fi interference.
Another common reason for Verizon Internet connectivity problems is Wi-Fi interference. This can be caused by various devices and factors, such as microwaves, cordless phones, baby monitors, or neighboring Wi-Fi networks operating on the same or nearby channels. These devices can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal and impact the overall performance. To minimize interference, try moving your router away from these devices or switch to a less congested Wi-Fi channel.
Signal strength and range.
Sometimes, Verizon Internet issues may arise due to poor signal strength or limited range of your Wi-Fi network. This can happen if you're too far away from the router or if there are obstacles like walls or floors that impede the signal. Consider repositioning your router to a more centralized location within your home. Additionally, using Wi-Fi range extenders or mesh network systems can help improve signal coverage and eliminate dead zones.
Device-specific problems.
Certain device-specific issues can also affect Verizon Internet connectivity. It's possible that your computer, smartphone, or other devices may have misconfigured network settings or outdated drivers that interfere with the connection. Try restarting your devices and updating their software and drivers to ensure they're running optimally.
Subscription or billing problems.
In some cases, Verizon Internet may stop working due to subscription or billing issues. Make sure your account is up to date and there are no outstanding payments or service disruptions. If you've recently made changes to your plan or billing information, double-check that everything is correctly set up. And that wraps up our video on the common reasons why Verizon Internet may stop working. We covered various factors, including power and hardware problems, service outages, Wi-Fi interference, signal strength and range issues, device-specific problems, as well as subscription and billing issues. Remember, if you encounter any persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out to Verizon's customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.